I believe this video that you're about to watch is going to be the most value-packed video that I've had on my channel so far. And hopefully that's saying something, because I always try to put a lot of value and good information into my videos. But the reason this video is so special, because I'm going to first show you how to get more than $50 of free crypto. Second, walking you through the application and showing you how to get that Ruby Steel debit card. Third, reviewing this debit card. And then last, I'm going to be unboxing this metal debit card here on the channel to show all you guys. But don't worry, I'm not going to pull Brian Jung and randomly become a crypto YouTuber. And although this is a credit card YouTube channel, I still do actively invest myself. I'm actually finishing up school right now for finance with a concentration in corporate accounting. And initially I was going to make this an investing YouTube channel, but I just found credit cards to be more interesting. And although this is my first time actually buying cryptocurrency, I'm still going to use the exact same principles that I use when investing in stocks. The first principle, and a principle that I always stand by when investing, is don't invest in anything that you're not willing to lose. And in this video, I'm going to invest $400 in Crypto.coms cryptocurrency coin, which is CRO or Chronos. And if you know anything about cryptocurrencies, it's one of those volatile investments out there. And while I don't think I'm going to lose that $400, Crypto.com's coin is pretty low right now, and I think it's going to go up, but I am still prepared and I'm fine with losing all of it. So just make sure if you're going to follow along with me and invest in this too, that you're comfortable with losing the money also. Don't get the FOMO from all those crypto influencers out there trying to get you to buy into one coin or another, telling you that it's going to make you rich. Make sure that you're buying into good coins and that you have an emergency fund set up, or at least some money in your savings before buying these coins. So let's start off by setting up that Crypto.com account and showing you how to get that free crypto, as well as applying for this card. So the very first step that you're going to want to do when setting up an account is use an affiliate link, because these are going to unlock submissions that are going to allow you to earn more than $50 worth of crypto. I use another creator's referral link so I could get these, and you can use any referral link out there, but I have mine pinned in the comments if you want to go and support me. And I actually like their affiliate program because I'm not going to earn any money from those rewards unless I actually help you guys earn that free crypto. So here's a look at my app after I just set it up. This is a brand new account. And when you open it up, you can see all these different missions that they have you do. And when you complete these missions, you get that free crypto. And that crypto is going to come in the form of CRO's crypto coin. So the first mission that we're going to do is earn $10 by trading $100 worth of Crypto.com's coin. And another mission we're going to hit to get a free $25 is getting that Ruby Steel credit card. So we're going to be able to knock out two birds with one stone by buying $400 worth of CRO's coin. So I'm just going to go right into it and buy $400 worth of their coin. If you use a debit or credit card, there's usually going to be a fee, but this is waived for the first 7 days. So if you want to use a credit card to get some rewards and cash back on your credit card too, you can do that when you first open up the account. So you can see here that my purchase is complete and I have over 4,000 coins of CRO. And then that little notification pops up letting us know that we completed the mission. So we can then go inside there and claim that free $10, which is going to lead us onto the next mission for $25 worth of free coin, which is linking your bank account and then depositing $50 worth of fiat currency. They also give us a free $7.50 for buying $250 worth of Chronos. So that's a nice bonus that they throw in there. So it's going to use Play to connect your bank account, which is a really easy method. And then you can see on the screen, I'm ready to deposit. So I went ahead and deposited $51 to hit that mission, and I use it to buy the Arrow coin. The next mission is going to be getting that Ruby Steel card. You can see the different cards here: the Jade Green, the Blue, the Obsidian card. And also I made a full breakdown of all these different cards you can go watch after this. But that Ruby Steel card is going to be the one that probably 90% of people are going to get. So let's go ahead and apply for this card. And to get this card, you're going to have to lock up $400 worth of CRO's coin for 6 months. Also, if you buy the coin and then it goes down after 6 months and is no longer worth $400, you can just keep it staked and you're still going to get the rewards with this card. Or if it goes up, you can unstake it and restake it if you qualify for the next tier of cards, get that brand new card, and get some higher rewards. And because I already bought the $400 worth of CRS coin, I'm just going to stake it for 6 months, and then all I have to do is accept those terms and conditions, and I'm going to be getting my brand new card. Here's some of the terms and conditions. You can look over and pause if you want to read them. And then here's a look what I currently have inside of my Crypto.com wallet. I went ahead and converted that Arrow that I bought into Bitcoin, so that's why you see $48 worth of Bitcoin right there. And one thing about these investing platforms that try to make investing easy and accessible to the average person, like Robinhood's another example of one of these for stocks, is they try to gamify investing. And the problem with that is investing shouldn't really be a game, and they make it a little bit too easy to do things like options trading, where 99% of people are just going to lose money on that. So just make sure you're not going too crazy with these missions and they're causing you to invest more than you actually want to buy. So now that you understand how to get that free crypto and then how to set up the app, let's go ahead and take a quick look at this Ruby Steel credit card. So first of all, don't go out of your way and buy $400 worth of Chronos to get this card. I got this card because I already wanted to invest in Crypto.com, and this card is just a perk that makes sense. So what this card actually is a prepaid debit card. It's not actually a credit card like a lot of people think. And there's really two main reasons that people want this debit card. The first is that it actually lets you spend your crypto very easily. If you go to, let's say, a Walmart, it's going to be hard to buy, say, a TV or a Mango with your Bitcoin. So what this debit card does is let you put your crypto into the spend account, and then when you use this Visa card, it's going to convert that crypto into US dollars or whatever currency your country uses. So it's essentially going to allow you to spend your crypto really easily. If you don't want to spend your crypto, you can also transfer in fiat currencies like the US dollar. And if you do this from your bank, there's not going to be any fee for that. And if you want, you can set up recurring deposits from your bank account to the spend account, so that your spend account stays full. The second reason why is because of all the rewards that comes with having this debit card. You're going to get 1% back on all your purchases, but it allows you the opportunity to get 4% back on all your purchases, which I'll cover in a minute. The first month of spend with this card is going to be uncapped, but then after that first month, you're capped at $25 worth of rewards every single month. So if you're maxing that out, you can spend $2,500 each month. This card also does come with Spotify Premium for 6 months, which I actually would be able to use in theory, but I'm just on Spotify Duo with my friend and he pays for it every month. But if you already have Spotify, this is 6 months for free. And like I said earlier, there's a way to get a boost on how much rewards you're earning, and this is with Crypto's new Rewards Plus program. In my last review of this card, I wasn't quite sure how to get this because at the time I didn't have an account with Crypto.com, but now I can tell you exactly how much you're going to get. The way that their rewards programs works is there's levels, and the higher level you have, the more boost you're going to get on the spend of your debit card. And the higher level you have is all going to depend on how much of CRO's coin that you have. If you have this Ruby Seal credit card, you're already going to have $400, which qualifies you for the third level, and if you hold at least $250 worth of their coin for 30 days, you're going to get a 50% boost on your rewards. So after just a month of having this card, you're automatically going to be earning 1.5% back on everything. And there's a lot of different levels, but I'll just go through the significant ones with this debit card. If you hold $1,000 worth of CRO's coin for 30 days, you're going to get a 1% boost, making all your purchases give you 2% back. And then if you hold $2,500 of their coin for 30 days, you're going to get a 1.5% boost, giving you 2.5% back on all your purchases, which is going to beat out most of those other catch-all credit cards out there. And then if you hold any more crypto than that, it's going to be irrelevant because you're going to qualify for the next tier of cards. So this is going to appeal to a lot of younger people that don't already have a credit score built up, but they want a really nice metal credit card because this card is 100% stainless steel metal and it weighs super heavy at 17 grams. So they want the status with having a metal card, but they don't quite have the credit score to get that. All right, so hopefully by this point you understand how to get this credit card and how it works. If anything's unclear, just comment below and then I'll respond to your comment, hopefully clarifying that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in about a week when this debit card comes. All right, so it finally came. It took about 10 days to get here. One of them was a holiday, but let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so here's the box that comes in. Let's go ahead and open it on up. So the first thing that we're going to pull out of here is a thank you card from Crypto.com. And then here we go. Here's the actual thing that it comes in. And it is a very fun design. It's like the octagon from the UFC. So let's go ahead. Bam. Here it is. I like the way it slides out there. This looks a lot like the Built MasterCard, I'm not going to lie. Bam. I have to say, just feeling it for the first time, it feels very sturdy. And I can tell you right away, there's pretty much no bend to this card at all. It is solid metal. You can take a look at the back here. You have the tap to pay. I put some tape right here so you guys can't steal all my information. You have the Crypto.com logo right here, which is beautiful. The Visa Debit logo, and then the reader chip up at the corner is also metal too, which is very nice. You're not going to see that a lot. So yeah, very beautiful card design. We'll give it one more drop test. Yeah, this thing is sturdy. Can't wait to use it. It also looks great in your wallet. Yeah. I also love the texture of it too. It feels like I'm touching a stainless steel fridge or something. So yeah, like I said, I think this is the best designed debit card in the world, and it rivals a lot of metal credit cards too. Let me know what you guys think about this card, and if you want to see a breakdown of all the different debit cards they have,